English learners, how are you? Hope you all are doing fantastic in your happy life. So, welcome back to my channel, Sonia English Academy. My name is Sonia and I am from UP. So, today is day 13 of my challenge of learning real life English, where we are learning real life English, where no cuts, no take, no retakes, no editing, no filters, only one short video. If I'll be making mistake, that will be in front of you, because I have taken a note that I will level up my English and I will reach the level where I can speak like a native speaker. And I'm improving. You can see the difference between my first video and this video, right? So let me ask you one thing. Why do we want to learn English? I want to speak fluently. Just to speak publicly? Because we don't learn English for speaking alone, right? But when we are in front of the people, we get confused and our mind gets stuck and we get freeze and we don't know what to speak next, right? Because we want to speak in real life situation. So the method is the same. This method has given me direction how to think and how to speak in real life situation, right? Because when we get stuck, we start thinking that our English is weak, we are not able to speak English, and we don't have background. So we start thinking negatively. No, these are not the mistakes. The real mistake is the method. If we try the right method, the right way, then nothing is impossible. And speaking is never impossible if we try the right method. So we must always try the right way to practice. If the way is wrong, you can never be able to speak properly, right? So today the method is RLSC method. Now you might be thinking, what is RLSC method? Yes, this is real life situation conversation. If we practice real life situation conversation, then we will become confident. If we practice how to speak at the dining table, how to speak on phone call, how to speak in the meeting, how to speak in the market, if we practice, then when we will face the real situation, we will never get confused. So today I'm just going to tell you how to practice real life situation. For example, if you are on the way, you want to ask the direction from someone and ask, can you tell me where the bus stop is? Yes, it is go ahead and turn right. Is it far away from here? No, it's very close. If you are on phone call, can I talk to Miss Divya? No, she is not at home. Okay, can you pass my message? Can you send my message to her? Yes. Ask her to reach the meeting at 7 o'clock as the timing has been changed. Okay, I'll inform her. One more thing, anything else? Yes, one more thing. Ask her to wear red as the dress code is red. Right? This is phone call a conversation. Then at the dining table, can you pass me the salt, please? Yes. Then can you pass me that dish? Oh, the food is very delicious today. I'm done. I have eaten, I think, more than my appetite. It's very delicious. Tomorrow, I also want this. This is the dining table conversation. Then at the restaurant, can I have two pizza, please? Yes, ma'am. Of course. Anything else? Yes. Give me some cold drink and potato chips, right? Or whatever else, right? Yes. You will get your order within 5 minutes. Okay. Can you wait? Can you wait for 5 minutes? Yes, of course. We will wait. This is the conversation. Then in the market, can you tell me the price, please? Yes, it is 500. Can I try it? Yes, you can, of course. Where the trial room, please? Can you tell me the trial room, please? Yes, this is on the first floor, the right way. Okay. Can you reduce the price, please? Yes, a little bit. Okay. Can you give it to can you give it within 450? Yes. This is the conversation at the marketplace. Bookstall. Can I have that book, please? Yes. Can you show me the variety in this? Right? No, we have only this edition. Okay. To learn real life situation, because you are about. I am in habit of saying we, not you. Right? So bear with me. We are in the habit of speaking alone when we are the beginner. If we speak alone, that is good, that is fine, that is okay, completely okay. But when we are in front of the people, the real life situation, we get stuck. So we should Google, you will Google the different real life situation conversation. It will give you different situation. You can ask gpt, right? For example, give me dining table conversation, give me phone call conversation, give me in the meeting conversation, give me parent teacher meeting conversation. For example, parent teacher meeting, how my son is doing. The teacher, he's doing very well. Parent, but he doesn't get as much marks, as many marks as he good in the test. Yes, it is due to the chapters in the test are limited and the chapters in the exams are more than the test. That's why he does good in the test but not in the examination. So what should we try? You should try writing practice. This is the conversation between the parent and the teacher. Mother and man, for manners, mother and son. Mother, what are you doing? Son, I'm playing, mama. But you have scattered your toys all around. But mama, I'm just playing. Okay, when you are done and your playing is finished, then put all the toys together in the tub, right? At the proper place. So try the real life situation, not only learn lots of words, not only to describe the things, try this real life situation. Because when you are in front of someone, no one will ask you what is your daily routine, what is describe your phone, describe your TV, describe your fridge, describe your whatever, describe your habits, describe your liking, describe your dislikings. You will be shown as a speaker when you speak in real life situation. So pick up that real life situation. Everything gives you fluency if you try the right method, the right way. It is good to describe the things at home. I also pressurize you to describe the things at home. But when you reach the level that you are able to describe the things, then also try this method, try real life situations. Because real life situation will give you real life English. No one will ask you describe this, describe that, describe this, describe that. Everyone will suppose you as a good speaker, as a fluent speaker when you will speak in situation. For example, you are going out of the station, you are going in the shopping, you are going to the doctor, you are going somewhere. Everything will be situation. If you will prepare those situation, then you will be able to speak properly, confidently, because you have practiced a lot, and practice as much as it becomes natural. And today I'm speaking. In my first video, I was shivering, I was shaking, I was getting fumbled a lot. I'm not saying that in this video I'm very fluent, but at least I have gained that confidence as I wanted. Confidence has come to me. Only the level of fluency, like a native speaker, that is only left. I can converse with anyone properly. But here also, I don't want to stay. I still practice real life situations and practice as much until it becomes natural. Because repetition plays a very crucial role. Practice one day, one situation, but only once. I'm asking you to practice only one situation in a day, but repeat that situation as many times as you can. Then it will start speaking when you will feel, when you will face that same situation. For example, when you were a child, you crammed definition of a noun. Noun is a name. Noun is a name of a person, place, or thing. Still, we learn it. Now we don't learn the definition. Lots of many years has been have been passed. We are not cramming the same definition, but that definition is still in our mouth. Noun is a name of a person, place, or thing. Because when we were child, we crammed it a lot. Although I am from Hindi medium, right? But I learned this definition a lot of time, that it is on my mouth and I can speak. Still remember, my mind still remembered the definition of noun. Why? Just because of the repetition. Repetition plays a very crucial role, the best role in improving our spoken. Speaking repeatedly. If you will practice, if you will speak the situation repeatedly, then when you will be in that situation, it will come out naturally. Because repetition becomes natural when we practice it a lot. So learn real life situation. Guys, if you practice this for 1 month, 30 situation, 30 days, you will become able to speak naturally in front of the people, publicly, before the people, right? So, and I just also want to say sorry because yesterday I couldn't upload, just because one of my friend passed away. I was not mentally prepared, but I promise that within 2 3 days I will upload 2 videos in a day, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.